Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a tag here in Constant Contact. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. So first up, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Contacts. All right, there will be a drop down, and then here just click on All Contacts. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're gonna want to go to the top right and click on the three dots. Okay. Click on it and click on Manage Tags. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, to delete a tag, just go ahead over to the three dots beside the tag or the date. Click on it, and here we have Delete Tag. All right. If you want to delete multiple tags, go ahead and click on the tick box. All right. And once done, click on Delete Tags right here at the top right. If you want to delete all, if you have a long list of tags in here that you wanted to delete, just click on this tick box at the very top and hit on Delete Tags. All right. I'm going to delete one just for you to see. Create new tag. That one. I'm going to tick on it, hit on Delete Tag. Wait for it. As you can see, it's gone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.